Alright, so we are here at Kanda near Tokyo Station, and I found this weird vending machine area around here, and I would like to try their coffee. It says morning charge. I'll take you over the bit. This is one. That doesn't look good. It looks like it has milk inside. This has sugar. It's not black coffee. And yeah, it has sugar in it. It says morning shot, but it's not like an espresso kind of thing. I thought it's kind of a strong one, but it's just okay. It's because of the milk and the sugar. So if I'm gonna put some 110, it's not black coffee.